What it do, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see the name of the title, today I got an exciting one for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and doing a Uconnect swap. Right now I got the current 7.0 inch 7 inch screen, or however, on the Uconnect. I think it's a 7 inch, but we're gonna go ahead and be upgrading to the 8.4. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. Just been waiting to come across a good deal on the Uconnect, and I finally found one. And with the new Uconnect, I'll be able to unlock the performance pages, 0 to 60 timer, all that extra stuff it comes with. Probably have to get the taser. I met this other guy. The guy basically sold me the Uconnect, said he can unlock all those features without the taser. So we could probably do that pretty soon. But yeah, guys, I'm excited to get this done. Today is going to be like a swap out video, so you guys are going to be seeing how we do that, and we'll go through the process on that. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video. All right, guys, first thing you want to do is go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal from the battery, and then the next thing, just to be safe, you want to go ahead and disconnect the radio fuse and the media hub console fuse, which is F37 and F38. F37 and F38 are in the same row right there, which is this row right here. And you're going to go ahead and take off the media hub and the radio fuse, just to be safe on that part. These are my Tappa fuse lines just for my dash cam. So I run the power line to the media hub, which is the yellow one, and that's the F38. And this accessory I run to F67, which is like a police accessory. If you have any like police lights or whatever the police use it. So that's just another thing to show you guys. That's my dash cam setup right there. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and let the battery sit for a bit, and we'll get back into it.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, first step on disconnecting, second step after you disconnected the battery, we're gonna go ahead and move this panel so we can get to the Uconnect and go ahead and disconnect the Uconnect. So we're gonna want to get your pry tool. Make sure it's like a plastic one. You don't want to mess up anything, scratch anything. I'm gonna pry from the sides first. We took this off plenty of times already so far in previous videos, so shouldn't be an issue. It's better off to start from the sides, work yourself around. Try this side now. So make sure you take your time. You don't want to mess anything or scratch the Uconnect. I basically just did that a minute ago almost. Pretty in there now. Just gotta find the right spot for it. Looks like we got the bottom disconnected. Let's try to get this clip in the corner still stuck in there. Pry tool is not as strong because we have used it plenty of times to take this thing off. Fingers gently pull it. There you go. We have it off now. You're gonna want to go ahead and bring this down so you get enough room. Pull it out. You want to lean it forward. And there you go. We got the first panel part off. Put it up here out of the way. It looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Looks like we just regular Phillips head screwdrivers. Let's go ahead and do that. Got my handy dandy tool set. Careful not to drop the bolts. Probably gonna be hard to get them if you drop them down here. Let's go ahead and put them off to the side. All right, guys, that's the last 4. Remember, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the Uconnect should come out gently. Go ahead and pull on it gently. There it is. And let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go and check the back out. So, guys, we have the Uconnect off. Let's go and check the back out. So, all this wiring, I don't know why Dodge does all this, but let's go ahead and check this out in the back, just so we can remember everything that's supposed to be in here. Okay, looks like, just so we remember, we have the white plug right here, green right here. So there's 4 plugs up top. We have 1 right here on the side on the first one, and 1 on the last one, white and green. Then you have the main plug, I think it's for the power. Also have that one. And then here's another one down here. I think it's like USB or however. Let's go ahead and disconnect this and we'll get to installing the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down for a second. All right, guys, as you can see, we have the 7-inch Uconnect disconnected. It's going to turn around for you guys. So it was only about like 3 plugs, 4 plugs. You had your white one, your green one, which was in that yellow slot, your main power bank, and then a gray one for like a USB or however. And then also for my lights, I had a ground right here on this small screw right here. But yeah, guys, that's it for the 7-inch. I'm surprised that there's not any more plugs for the Uconnect, but let's go ahead and try this swap and see what happens. All right, guys, we got everything hooked up to the new Uconnect. Let's go ahead and test it out next and see if we get any power to the screen goes on or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and set this to the side. Everything's plugged in. We'll just leave it like that for now, and we'll go ahead and test it out. All right, guys, we're back at the battery. We're gonna go ahead and reconnect the negative terminal. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the fuses out for now to see will we get anything going on the radio. We might have to connect back the radio fuse and maybe the media hub fuse, just depending on the situation of the radio. But let's go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys the results. All right, guys, this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we hooked up everything correctly and the radio works. Go ahead and put it in accessory mode. That's my kill switch is probably on, so let's go ahead and turn that on. All right, that was the issue right there. Accessory mode. Nothing yet. Volume, nothing on that yet. Let's go ahead and try to start the car. So my thought is we're gonna go ahead and reconnect the radio fuse and go from there. Got the fuse right here. Let's do it. Let's reconnect it real quick. All right, guys, we unplugged the battery again and reconnected the radio fuse. Here's the moment of truth. Now let's see what's gonna happen. Yo, what? Yo, look at it. Look at it. Sheesh. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Finally, we got the 8.4 Uconnect up and running. All right, all right. Now we ran into this. I got to hit up the guy and ask him for the anti-theft code, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we have everything connected up, man. We got the anti-theft code. Homie sent it to me like in 1 minute after I messaged him on the offer up. And yeah, guys, I'm so happy with the results, guys. I already went through everything, so I'm kind of familiar with the Uconnect. I went on a little test drive, make sure everything's working functionally. So look, let's see. We can hit the reverse camera. Reverse camera works. Let's go through it. Let's see. See, I gotta connect up my I gotta connect up my XM radio still, and then media. Hold on, go back to radio. FM works. You will mess with that later. Let's go to media. Media works. Bluetooth works. Climate works. You know. Let's go to Uconnect apps. Protection manager. Wi-Fi hotspot. SOS assist. Active services. Vehicle user guide. Notifications. App manager. Radio. Media. Climate. Nav. Phone settings. Audio settings. And then controls just go to the settings. I think everything's still loading, you know. I think it has to like register with the computer still. So I probably won't see more like stuff available to like another day or two. That's what I've seen in other videos. Nav works no problem. Phone, it's connected to the phone. Let's see what else. So if we go to, let's check out the themes real quick. Go to display. So you see I got the Hellcat splash screen on there, you know what I mean? Don't judge me. Just a sick background, and maybe, you know, we'll manifest something in that by having this. You never know, guys. But let's go ahead and try Dodge number 1. Okay, it's the race light, racetrack. You want to have the racetrack background. All right, let's go hit another one. Settings, display, set theme. Let's hit number 2. Number 2 is just something basic. I think everything is still loading, guys, so I probably won't see any. Seems like some of the stuff is the same thing. I already went through it. Number 4, see, it's the other Hellcat. So this Hellcat's different from the other one. The other one has like the honeycombs or whatever, honeycomb or hexagons, whatever. And then let's hit number 5. 5, this is like a demon engine. It's crazy. Then the media. Let's see if you can see the background. So look, you look closely. That's the demon engine. That's a demon right there. And I guess that's the demon engine right there. The mechanics of it. Let's go back to control, settings, display, select theme. We'll go to Dodge 6. Okay, we got the demon background, okay. And then let's go to number 7. So you got the Challenger doing a burnout. That's pretty cool. And then we also have the regular, look like it's like the honeycomb. So let's see, number 9, honeycomb. So I feel like these are the same ones. It's still loading. You know what I mean? Probably another day or two I'll have a bit more options. See, that's the one I was running with, the Hellcat with the honeycomb. That's pretty sick. So I think I'm about to keep that for now. Yes, again, it's not a Hellcat, guys, so don't judge me. I just like the background. And yeah, so guys, that's pretty much it on the themes. I'm still going through everything, so I'll let you guys know more like in the future. However, if it's not on this video, it'll be on the next one or however. But yeah, guys, I am so happy with this radio swap. Like, the car has came a long way from, you know, like, you know, steering wheel, interior, like everything, dash cam. You know, I also run the I run like a tablet right up here. I don't have it mounted right now, but guys, oh yeah, I don't know if I told you guys these vents I took out just to be able to mount this up for now, because right now, if you see, I have these metal brackets, but that's for the actual Dodge Ram. It came off a Dodge Ram, so I already ordered a bracket from eBay. eBay's like $30 for the bracket. which shipping was like 15 bucks. So it cost me like almost $45-50. But I'm just gonna switch out the bracket, and I'll be able to actually mount it to the actual, you know, to where it's supposed to be mounted to, so it can like fit in perfectly, and I'll be able to put my vents back in. But for now, I just like zip tied it so it stays in place, and it's working out for now. This doesn't really push in all the way. Like some of them did click in, but this is not clicking in because this metal piece of the Uconnect's in the way. So we're just gonna leave it like that, because I really don't want to have to put it back in and put my other radio back in. So we're just gonna leave it like that for now and hope for the best on that. You know, I did a zip tie, so we're good for now. Once I get that new bracket, we'll go ahead and switch it out, and we'll have a full operating radio. No issues there. And I'll let you guys know more about it in the future, guys, man.
Pack them up, RJ.
But yeah, guys, everything's great with the radio, man. I'm really excited to get these performance pages installed, and you know, get more options in it. And you know, the guy that sold it to me again, he said he does like I think like PCM programming. So he can unlock all these features to the vehicle and all that. So, you know, I mean, that's something next I'm going to do. So y'all stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like you can see me, I'm just cheesing, bro. Like, I'm excited for this radio. Like, this 8.4, man, it's make big difference to the car. I feel like once we get those performance pages, we can get the Z Automotive. Homeboy that hooked me up with the actual radio, he says he's going to program my car to get those features. So probably I don't need to get the taser. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, guys, like, I'm happy with the results I got. You know, just with the little things it needs from the bracket and a screen in the future, but the screen's not a big issue. Like I said, like, it does have a little bit of scratches on the actual screen, but at the end of the day, like, you can't even tell when it's on. But you know, when it's probably in the daytime, you can probably see it. But hey, we'll get that fixed in the future. So we're not in a big rush for that. You know, maybe when it starts delaminating, then we'll go ahead and switch it out if it does delaminate. But yeah, guys, I got that new gen 8.4, man. It feels like a whole new car, man. From, you know, doing the steering wheel to the radio, to all the little stuff I do to the car, guys. It's more and more. I keep on building and building, and I'm just enjoying it, guys. I'm enjoying it. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.